Jai Hind friends, in this lecture on Introduction to Map Reading, I am going to explain some basic concepts which are related with map reading. In order to simplify my explanation, I will divide my lecture in four different parts. At the outset, I will explain the importance of map reading in military operations. Then I will elaborate what is the meaning of map. At the third point, I will show different types of maps, and at the end, we will discuss about various important elements of map, that is layout of the map. Let us start understanding the basic concepts of map reading. So initially I will explain the importance of map reading in military operations. Map reading has a special importance in military operations. As we say, the weapon is the real friend of the soldier in the battlefield. In the same way, map is also a very good friend of the soldier in the battlefield. The success of military operations and effective implementation of field crafts depends upon the knowledge and skill of map reading. Why map reading is essential in military operations? That we will going to discuss now. Map reading is very important to find out our own position or our own location. Let us imagine, let us assume for a moment that someone dropped down to us at some unknown location. In order to come back to our original position from that unknown location, we should understand, we should know our own position. Unless and until it is impossible for us to come back to our original position. So, in military operations, in the field, it is very important to find out and to know our own position or own location. Once we find out our own position and own location, then we can make a movement to any of the location from that particular location or that particular position. So therefore, in order to find out our own position, it is very important to understand the basic concepts of map reading. Then, once we find out our own position, own location, then second step is to find out the location of the opponent or location of our enemy. Once we find out our own position, then we can find out the location of our opponent, the location of our enemy on ground as well as on map. After finding out the location of our opponent, the important thing is to measure the distance between the two locations. Once we find out our own position and after determining the location of our opponent, then we should find out the distance between our location and the location of our opponent. With the help of map, we can locate the position of our opponent, and with the help of map we are in a position to find out the distance between our location and the distance of the location of the opponent. Therefore, in order to understand our own position, location of opponent, and the distance between the two locations, the basic concepts of map reading is very essential. And at last, in order to find out the possible routes of marching, or in order to find out the suitable route of marching or the nearest route of marching, the map reading is essential. So, in this way, the map reading or the basic concepts of map reading is very important to understand our own position, to find out the position or location of our opponent, to measure the distance between the two locations, and to find out two possible routes of the marching up to that particular target location. Now I will simplify the explanation of the importance of map in military operations with the help of one imaginary illustration. Imagine for a moment this is our original location, and from this original location we started wandering in the battlefield or in the field. While wandering, we came over here at this particular location. Wandering from this place, imagine that we came over this particular location, and now we forgot the route of our original location. So, in order to go back to our original location, first we should know our own position or own current location. So, in order to find out our own current location, own current position, we need the basic understandings of map reading. With the help of given map, we can find out our current location or current position on ground, and we can also find out the current location or current position on map. Once we find out our current own position or own location, then we will be in a position to go back to our own location, or we will be in a position to march towards other locations. So first it is important to find out our own position. Once we find out our own position, then we can make a movement to other positions or other locations. The second important thing in the map reading is to find out the distance, to find out the location of the opponent. So once we find out our own location, then we can easily find out the location of our opponent or location of our enemy. In this illustration, consider that the location of opponent is situated here at this place. Here I mentioned the location of opponent. With the help of map reading, we can find out our own location, our own position. We can also find out the location of our opponent. The another important thing in the map reading is to find out the distance between the two locations. Consider it is our own position. In order to determine the strategies and counter strategies in the battlefield, we must know the distance between the location of us and location of our opponent. Once we find out our own location, and after finding out the location of our opponent, it is very easy. With the help of map, we can measure the distance between these two locations. In order to measure, in order to predict the distance between these two locations, the concepts of map reading, the understanding of the concept of map reading is very important, very essential. At last, in order to find out the possible routes or suitable routes of marching up to the target location, map reading is important. Now, in our imaginary illustration, imaginary explanation, example, this is our own position. So now, this is the position of our opponent. In order to find out the suitable routes, it might be a suitable route, or it might be a suitable route, or it might be a suitable route. Whatever may be the suitable route, we can find out the possible suitable routes, or we can find out the nearest routes to march up to the opponent location. The basics of or basic understanding of map reading is very essential to understand. So with the help of this illustration, I think we are in a position to understand the importance of map reading in military operations. In order